Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken pho. Start by preparing a clear chicken broth using bones and aromatics. Simmer gently to extract flavor without cloudiness. Toast and char spices separately, then steep them in the broth for complexity. Simmer chicken just until cooked, shred it, and reserve. Assemble bowls with noodles and fresh herbs, adjust seasoning with fish sauce, then serve hot and fragrant. A great pho begins with patient broth making and careful spice handling. Roast and char ginger and spices to unlock oils, then add bones and cold water for a slow, gentle simmer. Skim impurities early and often to maintain clarity, and avoid rolling boils that cloud the stock. Finish by briefly steeping the spices, then strain the broth and taste for depth before assembling your bowls. Noodles and fresh garnishes make chicken pho sing and stay simple. Cook rice noodles per package directions, rinsing briefly to stop cooking and prevent sticking. Shred poached chicken and arrange herbs, bean sprouts, lime, and sliced chilies for each bowl. Warm the strained broth to boiling, then ladle over noodles and chicken to finish. Encourage diners to add hoisin or sriracha to taste for personalized flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.